What's up guys, it's Superhero. In today's video, I'm going to catch scammers inside of Animal Company Part 1. I don't know if I'm going to make any more parts. Okay, so first, I'm going to get the second best bag. Well, not the best, but I don't care. Okay. Yeah, but cheese. Crack of lava cheese.
Bro, I have more rare stuff. I have some of the rare stuff in the horn.
Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade a neon?
Me!
A neon. Okay.
Right.
For what? This for what?
We're trying to kill
No,
him.
this is free off the moon. Let me get you something. This?
Yes, I can do that.
Yeah. Let me go to a code. It's okay.
LR
You choose the
L.
code.
LRL.
LRL?
No, LRL. LRL. LOL.
Oh, laugh out
Join
loud.
code. Okay. Random code. But I guess I can do it. No.
Who you?
Wait, I don't want to code. Because people's in this code.
Where you at? Where you at?
LOL.
Yeah, bro, you want to trade?
No, I'm already trading with him.
Yeah, get banned. Get banned.
I don't want to get banned from LOL. Get banned. Why are they kicking me? Okay, if someone joins, add another one to the code. So first, here, I'll put the.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait, this is how you know if somebody's a scammer. I'm gonna tell you the steps a scammer would do. First they put in here, then they go in there, but if they dump it out like that, they still may be a scammer who realizes that you look suspicious. They
I'm
don't
not a
trust that
scammer.
person.
I'm not a scammer.
I know, I'm just
Okay,
like telling
look,
you steps.
I'll put the spoon.
I was pretty
Wait, I
cool
might
when
have
I used
something else
to drop
also.
the- Can I add something else? So.
Yeah, you can.
Add something else.
There. 3, 2, 1.
I'll wait for you to grab that. Yeah. Good trade.
I was recording a video. So
Fine.
yeah. Take that back, and you know what? You know what? For not scamming. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. That's it. Alright, you're welcome. Please don't dupe it, cause it's bannable. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay. He got a kid. 3 people.
3 people.
Alright.
Who's Tony?
No, but what do you wanna?
No,
Who
no.
are you? Where is this kid?
No.
I
Hold
kick
on. I'm not gonna get scammed, bro.
Guys,
Yeah,
do not kick me
Well, leave.
Oh, Your Honor?
here because I want to be here.
Buddy, I know you're gonna scam me. You're literally a member.
I promise I will not scam. I promise I will not scam.
I've been.
You're literally a member. You're gonna scam me. I just know that. I already know that trick.
Record.
Buddy.
Okay. I got your user if you scam also. Yeah.
You just kicked me already, bro. I'm not trading with you because you literally have a member.
No, I kicked out of
Okay, go on a different server.
You're in the same server, but
Can we do an LOLL?
bet.
Cause I don't think we should own that.
Oh, okay, he thought I was gonna scam or kick him. No, I never knew people can. I was going to do that.
Nobody else is good. I could get this. I could buy this killer if I want to.
We're adding another. Look,
I want to make sure because you can put a heart gun in this. Yeah, you're good.
how did you
Just
not
to make
know
sure.
this?
Just to make sure.
Yeah.
Can you put the hook shot on both hips?
Wait, hang on. Give me a sec.
Can you please put it on both
Can you
hips?
shut my door, please?
Cause I'm looking.
Okay, what?
Can you put the hook shot on both hips?
Oh, my whole.
No, put it on this hip and then put it on that hip. Yeah, put it on that hip and then put it on this hip. Put it on the hip. Yeah, put it right there. All right, good. You're fully checked. What you want to do to me too? For
No.
your security?
No. how have you not
Guys,
noticed? Is it in this bag?
by the way, 2 free the fanboy guy. Me. I don't know. And by the way, why do you have an umbrella? Give me that.
No.
Give me that.
Yeah, I need the
Put it
umbrella.
away.
I need the umbrella.
Nah, bro. No, you're gonna try scamming me.
Here. There. Hold the bag. Hold the bag.
Oh, hold it.
No. You just took the bag off of me.